Hi, this is XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro phone. In this video I will show you how to install a free VPN on this device. First, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content, because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. Let's get started. First, you need to open a Google Store. Then in the search type Turbo VPN and install this application. Wait a while for scanning and choose Open. Click Start Now, cross in right corner and wait a while. Fine. Now let's check where we are. We can open 2IP site. We have our IP address and we know that we are in the Poland. Okay, now try to connect to VPN. Tap to connect and click OK. Connected. In our notification panel we see VPN connected message 2, and now we can check where we are. Reload 2IP page, and now we see that we are in the Germany. Okay, thank you for watching. We are our connection to Germany is successfully. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe our channel, and goodbye. See you soon.